All right, well, thank you for clicking on the video. My name's Tamarah Hull, and if you're wondering why it's not a Cadillac or a Corvette behind me, that's your car. Obviously, you clicked on this because we're making an announcement, and I'm starting Drift University. And what that is basically is going to be a place where you can learn to drift. So if you have no experience, if you have some experience, and even if you have a good bit of experience, I want to create something that anybody can come to and get something out of. So we want to offer beginner classes for if you've never, powered on and felt like what it's like to slide a car or grab the handbrake. Absolutely, we can teach you the basics and how to do a donut and how to link a basic turn together and all the things like that. If you've had some experience before and want to really learn how to put a car in a certain position on the racetrack, big transitions, things like that, we can teach that too. And then the one I'm most excited about is I'm going to offer a tandem class. So basically, if you have got some drifting experience, maybe you've done one of the classes or both of the classes, or you've got a decent amount of track time at your local place but really haven't had an opportunity to get close to another car, we're going to give you that opportunity. Yeah, it'll be a whole lot of fun. You can see what it's like to really get up next to somebody, hopefully not be bashing doors and things like that, but sometimes things happen. The tandem class is going to be really cool. The last portion of it is going to be offering car rentals. So just like this Mustang you see behind me, you got a local event you want to go out to, you want to take it down to Clutch Kickers, you want to go do something like that, we're going to offer cars for rental. So as far as what kind of cars are we going to offer, the Mustang behind me is going to be one of them. We're going to have an E46 BMW and we're going to have a 350Z. None of them are going to be stock. It's going to be drift cars. They're going to have handbrakes, they're going to have yellow speed coilovers, they're going to have Koenig wheels, and they're going to be ready to go rip. Last question I'm sure I'm going to get is, where are you going to do it? So basically, I want to tour this around the Southeast. I would like to offer some stuff in Georgia, Alabama, maybe North Florida, South Carolina, North Carolina, Tennessee. Wherever you are, we're probably going to come to you. How can you reach us? Instagram is going to be @DriftUniversity. Just send us a message on there. We're building a website, we're building a logo, all that stuff's coming. But if you have any questions, just reach out on Instagram. It's just directly there. I'll get back to you. I'm going to have some pictures of the cars up soon. We'll be doing some videos of a school in action, and it's going to be a whole lot of fun. So thanks for taking a minute to watch this. I'm really excited to be able to do this. Me and my wife and some of my friends, and great instructors are going to be offering this. I'm going to be doing a lot of it myself, especially at the beginning, and can't wait to have you. Thanks so much.